Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. There you should select device maintenance, and you can at first optimize your device now, so simply click here to improve your device. Click on optimize now and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, it frees up some space. It will close background data, background apps, and also check if you have any viruses. As you can see, it has been already optimized and it's 100% correct. So you can click on done to finish the whole process. You can also open storage here to see if there's anything that you would like to erase, but there's nothing that should be cleaned. Open the memory to check if we can clean it now. As you can see, let's click on clean now to free up some space. And that's it. As you can see, it has been cleared. Let's go back and fine, and you can also perform a virus scan here. So just open device security and click on scan phone. Give it a couple of seconds to detect the viruses, and as you can see, it's safe. So this is how you can speed up your phone, speed up your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.